Welcome to the birthplace of the 2026 Porsche Panamera Turbo S e-hybrid. We are about to begin the journey from raw metal to engineering excellence.
Our journey begins in the heart of Germany, Leipzig. A legacy of performance dating back decades. It starts with the finest raw materials. Precision stamping creates the skin. Automated precision handles every panel. Thousands of welds ensure maximum rigidity. Laser technology for seamless joints. The skeleton moves to assembly.
Every millimeter is verified.
The heart is united with the body. The twin-turbo V8 takes its place. Hybrid power is integrated seamlessly. Expert hands connect the power flow. The PDK transmission ensures speed. Advanced suspension systems are fitted. High-performance stopping power added. Digital cockpit integration begins.
Handcrafted luxury touches.
Door panels meet the chassis. Glass installation for acoustic comfort. Wheels are secured for the road. Lighting systems undergo final check. Paint perfection is scrutinized.
Power is tested on the dyno. Water tightness is verified.
Approval for delivery granted.
Unleashed on the track. Agility meets pure power.
Driver engagement is paramount.
Aerodynamics adapt instantly.
Silent efficiency of e-hybrid mode.
Rapid charging capability.
Built by night, driven by day.
Rotational mass optimized.
Deceleration is as controlled as acceleration.
Digital feedback in real time.
Launch control engaged.
Performance breathes freely.
Precision handling tested.
Software diagnostics finalized.
Ambience creates the mood.
Ready for the elite owner.
Final detail before delivery.
Journey to the world begins.
Leaving the home of Porsche.
Design meets reality perfectly.
The crest signifies quality.
Grip in any condition.
Adaptive air suspension at work. Intelligent entry systems. Rear seat luxury defined.
Acoustics of the turbo engine.
Magic body control in action.
A modern design icon.
Contact patch maximized.
Available in a spectrum of colors.
Connectivity at your fingertips.
Tuning the exhaust note. The perfect end to a drive. Badges of honor and technology.
Safety systems are paramount.
Autobahn stability tested.
Natural finishes perfected.
Flat cornering capability.
Cockpit ergonomics mastered.
Designed for the lifestyle. Active cooling management.
Urban dominance at night.
Geometry set to perfection. Practicality meets performance.
Instant electric torque delivery.
Overtaking made effortless.
Compact convenience features.
Aerodynamic underbody design.
Top speed stability achieved.
The build process in review.
Concert hall sound quality.
Moments of quiet reflection.
Lighting the path ahead.
Agility is engineered in.
Access for long journeys.
Weather resistance tested.
Virtual safety simulations.
Vision from every angle.
Pure performance unleashed. Final seal of approval.
Prepared for global delivery. Ready to fly across the world.
Ready for the open road.
Suspension compliance in detail.
Pushing to the limit.
The ultimate driving road.
Arriving in style.
Safety first, always.
Stability under pressure.
Intelligent climate control.
Atmospheric driving conditions.
Critical bolts tightened to spec.
Downforce optimized.
Automotive as art.
Thermal management tested.
Control at a distance.
Silent power in the city.
Torque for the gradients.
Aerodynamics at the rear.
The line waits for the next.
Controlled slides mastered.
Craftsmanship you can feel.
Instant digital response.
Home for the machine.
From mind to machine.
Speed is its nature.
Engineering meets nature.
The complete package.
The 2026 Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid. Masterpiece of Leipzig.